Come on with it before you forget it. Another day in the shop. We got interesting thing today. Show y'all. We got my new merch. Got my shirts in. Kind of cold out, so I'm having to wear it today. Look, so I'm gonna be selling some shirts. Bad thing is, I got 2XL and extra large is all I've got right now. So I'm gonna be working on getting some other ones. I needed comments below on colors. I've got a bunch of different colors of shirts that I bought, and I had my logo printed on. Shout out to Theresa Mills, awesome job. Thank you very much. I'm gonna be getting some different shirts made, and well, not different shirts, but mediums, larges, small. I'm gonna get some more shirts and have them made too. Right now, all I've got are extra large and large, mainly because that's what I wear. To be quite honest, I wasn't thinking about selling them. I was just gonna wear them just to promote my farm, promote the shop. So, yep, we'll go with that. Today, basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna be cleaning up the shop, and we are going to try and get I got some help with me today. Trey's gonna help me get this today, but we're gonna get the cab mounted to the frame. The cab's not done, but I got to get some progress. I mean, 3 weeks now I've been working on this, on the floors, the rotted floors and everything like that. So I know the cab floor is not done, but what I want to do is I want to get the cab onto the frame. I got the cab mounts. I got all them fixed, welded up, and right now we're gonna mount that to the frame, and then hopefully I'm gonna split the engine. I got to put the torque converter on the transmission. I got some fluid to put in it and everything like that, and then we're gonna get that put all together, and hopefully get the motor mounted. I'm gonna try to get. Basically, just to show me some progress, I'm gonna try to get everything mounted up, and we're gonna go from there. So y'all hang with us today while we get this going. All right. Oh, hey, we're going to take a picture of the ceiling. What's going on, guys? So here's where we're at right now. The bolts that I got for the kit, for the body mount kit, are the wrong size. So we are gotta go do our weekly grocery shopping. It's lovely, lovely. And we're gonna go by and get some new bolts and everything. When we get back, we're gonna go ahead and get the body mounted, get everything going right. I don't know why the bolts are wrong. I bought this kit for this truck, but I also get some shock bolts. So, but yeah, once we get that on, then the body, the cab, will be back on the frame. So we're gonna give you all a shot of what it looks like. See there. This is what we're looking like now. I know it's off a little bit, but got the rollers under the tires so we can easily move the frame. Use the lift to raise the cab up. Got it down on. Once we get it down on, hey, we're gonna be good to go. So we'll be back at it in the morning. I got a rare 3-day vacation, or 3-day week. So anyway, we'll see y'all then. Appreciate it. Comment, like, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that little bell and it'll let you know when I upload a video. Appreciate it, guys. See y'all in the morning.